Can my hair become thicker?
A common inquiry I receive is whether hair can become thicker. In many cases, the answer is yes. However, it's important to understand the nuances of hair thinning and the treatments that are available. Approximately 95% of hair loss in men and women is due to genetic pattern hair loss, or androgenetic alopecia. If left untreated, hair follicles can miniaturize to the point where they cease producing visible hair. A common hair loss treatment, such as finasteride, a prescription medication for men, can slow down the rate of your hair thinning and allow for some limited regrowth. Minoxidil, an over-the-counter option, doesn't actually thicken hair, but it rather prolongs the hair growth cycle, allowing for hair to remain on the scalp a little bit longer. For women, hormonal factors can significantly influence hair thickness. Conditions such as polycystic ovarian syndrome, or PCOS, can contribute to hair thinning. Menopause can also lead to hair thinning due to decreasing estrogen levels. It's important to distinguish between thinning hair and naturally thin hair. Treatments can improve thinning hair that was previously thicker, but treatments cannot alter your naturally fine hair beyond its original thickness. In 2011, I invented a treatment called Tricostem hair regeneration. This is an injection treatment where we combine extracellular matrix with platelet-rich plasma, or PRP, derived from the patient's own blood. We've observed hair thickening in over 99% of men and women who we treat with genetic pattern hair loss using this method. Unlike generically available PRP or PRP plus ACell, which requires multiple monthly scalp injections, Tricostem hair regeneration is only 1 to 2 sessions with benefits lasting for 3 to 5 years or longer. The reactivation of dormant hair follicles combined with the thickening of thinning hair has a significant impact on your scalp coverage. Given the unique nature of each individual's hair loss situation, proper diagnosis and a personalized treatment plan are essential for optimal results. I hope this information from my experience helped you. If you are interested in recommendations for your individual situation, you may contact us through our websites or call our offices to schedule a consultation. Thank you.